So I put a couple bait poles out a little ways from where I'm fishing, and that's the first one. Don't look like anything's on it. Second one there, it was pulling down. Yep, see it? That's what you want to see when you got a bank pole out. It's cut bait on it. I don't know if it's a turtle or what, but we're going to see. Be nice if it's a big catfish, but I highly doubt it. There's a lot of turtles in here. Oh man, sweet. I'm glad I kept that other channel. That's a nice channel cat there. Right off the bank, middle of the day on a bank pole.